everyone, this is Paramita, Salesforce engineer. Now, I was making a series of like Experience Cloud. I started one end-to-end project in Experience Cloud, like how to build one community portal for customers and partners using the Experience Cloud for a building company, like construction company. Okay. So if you haven't watched my other videos in Experience Cloud, please, I will suggest you to start from the beginning. Like I have explained the use case of this project and then how to design this site. You can see I have done quite a bit of the designing here, and then how to use the template already provided by Salesforce, and how we can enable knowledge, how we can create customers user, partner user, and what's the difficulties during that time, and data visibility. Most importantly, how to control the data visibility and article management, then knowledge base creation. I mean, enabling knowledge base creation and all those stuff, creating knowledge. So quite a bit I have already shown in other videos from part 1 to part 5. Now this is the part 6 video, and this is going to be the end video for this project. Maybe in future I'll create a more project using Experience Cloud and other technology as well, like LWC, etc. But in this project particularly, I'll finish it here today. In this video I am going to show you like case management. Okay, now what is case management? Now at this point I assume that you have basic knowledge of Salesforce admin, like at least the Salesforce objects and their relationship, like account, contact, case, etc. Okay, so like here you can see so far we have two menu, like home, topics. Okay, now there will be another menu. I am going to add that in the nav bar, that is case. Okay, so the community users, the customers or partners, whoever will visit our site, they are going to be able to submit the case, and also they will see their case, their status, all those stuff. Okay, now here see already, like we have out of box features here in this temple, like ask a question. I have already explained and shown it to you some other videos. And contact support. Okay, like when they click on that, uh, they'll be able to contact us. Okay, I will also explain, like this is basically when they are going to fill up this form and submit, one case is going to be created. Okay, and um, like we'll do quite a few configuration. You will see this later on. Like the people who will create the case, when they come in the site, they will be able to see only their cases. They will not be able to see other cases. Suppose you are my customers and all, I don't want you to know everything what's happening with my other customers as well. Okay, so you will be able to see only your case. Okay, and also I'll do some changes, like this form available here, you can make the changes here. Okay, suppose I don't want here this contact thing. Okay, so I will remove it. So how to do that, all those things I am going to explain in this video. Okay, so stay tuned, be with me and practice. And one more thing, here we have developed this site without writing any code, okay, in Experience Cloud. So to know more about this, go back and start from the Experience Cloud part 1. Okay. Okay. All right. So now we are here in the site. Sorry, we are here in the setup. Okay. So we are here in the setup. So I have shown you like how to create customer center users, partner users. So we have created few of them. So I will get to, I will go to user in setup and click on the user. Here I can see all the users which I have created, like Adam Maxwell. Okay, see, Adam Maxwell is a customer community user. Then McDonald Caroline, she's a partner community user. Okay, so Adam Maxwell. Yeah. So if you can remember, he was a contact actually. First, I created and connected it to an account, and then to I converted him to customer community user. Now, in home, if I go to contact, I'll find out Adam Maxwell. Yeah, this is Adam Maxwell. I will go to this contact. Now here, I have an option. If you click here, I have an option like login to experience as user. Okay, so using that, I am the system administrator here, so I can log in as Adam Maxwell to my newly created Experience Cloud site. Okay, now I have already discussed about how to create users and how to give them the permission to access your site, etc. So if you want to know more about this, please watch my part 3 video. Okay, there you will know about these things. If I click there, yeah, so if I click there, see, I reached the site, and right now, actually, I am logged in as Adam Maxwell. Okay, if you click on the profile, you'll be able to see that. Okay, see, I'm Adam Maxwell. Now I'll go to the home. So this is how the customer Adam Maxwell is going to see our site. Okay, now after I include the case, there will be a new menu case, and he will be able to see his new cases. Now before that, right now we don't have any case in his name. So what I'm going to do, I will create a case first. Okay, so suppose Adam uh, wants to contact the support. Okay, so later on, actually, I will take off this field. I don't want this field here. I will show you how to do this, but for the time being, I'm just writing. Yeah, so see, if you write here, you will be able to find your contact. But later on, I will take this off. Actually, I don't want that, but now leave it as it is. Now subject, what's the subject? Now Adam Maxwell is a customer, so suppose he I tried a lot to contact your representative to book an appointment to see the house. Okay, but didn't get success. Okay, so Adam wants to book an appointment with a representative to see our show houses. We are the builder, Paramita and builder. So, I mean, construction company. So he wants to see our show home. Now, description. Can you book an appointment this weekend? Please. Okay. If it's a different kind of case, they can upload the file as a proof or anything. Okay, that option is also here. So I'm not doing this now. Now submit. Yeah, so your case was created. Okay, so now one case is created. Now what I'm going to do, I will go back. I will go back to my setup. Now how to do that? Now, first of all, right now I am logged in as Adam, so I will just log out from here, okay? And then I will log in my own login, okay? So I'll just log out here. Yeah, so now again I am logged in my developer's org. Now here in the home, I'll go to the case. If I go to the case, go to all open case. See, I can see the case, Adam Maxwell, the contact. Okay. See, I tried a lot to contact your representative to book an appointment, but didn't get success. So you can see the case, it has been created. So Adam Maxwell, he visited the site which we created for as a customer of Paramita and Builders, and then he contacted the support using the form there, and that actually connected to the case, so it has created one case. Okay, so now what I want to do in my site which I created, I want to add the case management there, so that people who comes there, they can see their case, they can submit their case. They are already able to submit their case now. Now I want to add the case in the site. Now one more thing I want to tell you. Okay, I will tell that later on, then you will understand. Okay, so now go to setup. I will write all sites. So I am opening my site builder actually. I'll click on builder. So what is builder? What is workspace? I already discussed. To know about the designing and stuff, so watch my part 2 video. Okay. Now here in the builder, I will click on the navbar. Okay. So once I click on the navbar, you can see the menu item. Okay. Then default navigation. Edit default navigation. Yeah. So once I click on edit default navigation, you can see right now I have two menus, home and topic. I want to add the new menu item name. I want cases. Okay. And type Salesforce object. Okay. So I want to connect this cases menu to the Salesforce object. Which object? Case. Okay. Case. Default list view. Like when you open the case, what you saw? Like it was, I think, my previous or recent view or something was there in the default list view. So at this point, I assume that you know what is list view. So the default list view, I will say my cases. Okay. So when the customers will visit, if they click on cases, they should see their own cases. Okay. So the default list view, I will put my cases. Okay, that I will, for the time being, I'll do these things. If I need anything to do, I'll come back again. Okay, so you can play around the options available here, and then try. So for the time being, I'll just leave it as it is. Then save menu. Once you save, see the menu came here, cases. Okay, but right now, if I preview the, okay, before doing this, I'll just publish, because if you don't publish, it will not be saved. Okay, so whatever changes you make, you have to publish. Now I will just see the preview. Now if you see the preview, if you click on topics and all, you can see the topics, etc. Okay, but if you click on case at the moment, what's happening? you can see the cases. Okay, I can see all the cases because I am logged in as a system administrator now. Okay, but I want it like if you are logged in, suppose at Adam, okay, like we did before, Adam should be able to see only his cases. So for that, what we have to make sure, we have to go to sharing settings. Okay, so I am in setup now. In setup, in quick find box, type sharing settings. See, it already came. So we'll click on sharing settings and go to case object, case. Now, yeah, see, in case object, default external access is private. So it's already private, so we don't have to do anything. Okay. So that means any external user, as I said, that community user, partner users, like customers users, partner users, all the community users, they are basically our external user. Our employees and all, they will be our internal user. Now for all the external user, case is private. Okay. So what happens when they logged into our community, they will be able to see only their cases which they have created. Okay, not other customers or other partners cases. So you have to make sure that this is the external default external access for case is private. Okay, to control the data visibility like that. So it's already done, I don't have to do anything. Now if I go to the contact, now if I go to the contacts, I find out that Adam, yeah. So I will go to the contact Adam. Now he is a customer user, so I will logged in as Adam again, and I will see what's happening in case. Okay, login as experience user. Yeah, see here I have this cases link now. If I click on case, see, I can see only the case which Adam created. Okay, because I am logged in as Adam. Okay, so he can click here and he can see all the case feed and everything here. Right now there is not much because I didn't created a lot of things. So anyway, so whatever case I created as Adam, I can see that now because I am logged in as Adam. If you go to the profile, you will be able to see Adam profile. Okay. All right. So, okay. So now before I told that this contact support form, I want to make some changes there. Okay. Now we're going to do that. Like if I click on the preview mode, you can see this contact support. Click on that. Yeah. So this form, like when I was creating the case as Adam, I told that I want to change this form, like this contact name. I don't need that. Okay. I don't want it to be there. So because when the customers will create the case, automatically I'll know who will create the case. Their contact name was there. I don't need to keep it here. Okay. So I want to take it off. How? Basically, this is a global action. Now, if we go to the back to builder and click on this form, see, you can get a lot of options here. You can play around with this. Okay. Contact customer support. Yeah, like here, contact support form. Suppose I put it here, contact contact us. Okay, I want to write, give the title like this. So see, now it's changed. Okay, so like this you can change, you can play around, okay, whatever you want to do. So now if you click on authenticated user, say global action, new community case. So this is basically a global action and the name is new community case. Okay, now I will go to the setup and I will write here in the quick find box global action. So click on global actions and find for new community case. What was the name of the global actions? New community case. So find for that. Here I can see here. Yeah, so here you can see you have edit, delete, edit layout. Now that is basically layout. So I'm going to edit the layout. Okay. See here, contact name, subject, description. Okay, so you can here add or remove the item whatever you like. Okay, so I am going to remove this contact name thing. Okay, remove. Yeah, so now this subject and description. Yeah, that's enough for me. Then I will save and then we'll go to experience builder. Now what I'm going to do, I will go to the contact. I log in as Adam. I go to contact and this is Adam and I log in as Adam to my experience site. Okay, so now I am logged in as Adam. Okay, if you go to the profile you can see. Okay, so now I'll go to the home and now when I am going to create the case, I click on the contact support. See, now subject, description. Okay, so there is no any contact. Okay, so this is the thing, you can play around, you can change the form, you can do the same thing with other forms also. Okay, so with this I will finish this video. So in this video basically I explained how you can manage, how you can add cases, how you can manage the cases experience cloud. Now, in the whole series, basically, I tried to give you an example, like with hands-on exam, like hands-on experience, like creating one portal for a construction company. Okay, so I'll suggest you, if you want to really learn, watch all the videos from the beginning. If you haven't watched yet, I have explained the business use cases, how to design, and then how to create users, customers, users, partners, users, what the difficulties may come, and you can create the users like that. Those are really important if you are preparing for Salesforce like Experience Cloud certification. You should understand that basic. And then the data visibility, how, like when you are article management, like when the like how to control the visibility of articles, okay, using the data categories and data category groups. And then also like how to do the case management, how to create the knowledge base, all those things. So hope you like that series. Okay, it will give you one idea about the experience cloud. In future we are going to create more projects. I always try to make videos in my channel like with practical example. Okay, so where we can apply, where do like during the certification we learn a lot of things, but we have to apply those knowledge in practical world. Okay, so that's my purpose. So hope you like this, and yeah, so stay tuned and learn, try to learn every day like 3 to 4 things, so that's how you can keep you updated. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. And if you like, please give it a like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.